So walking around the other side of the park, this is all the treed, really nice. Lots trees. I think these are full. Are these full hookups?
I think this side is hookup.
All full hookups. So they got sewer, electric, and I don't know, I'm seeing a fire. This guy's got a fire going. Look at that. A man after my own heart. Now that's a fire.
Oh man, that's what I'm talking about.
I love it. Look.
Oh, you got a little fire going.
Oh, you bring your own poker too. I love it. Look at that. That's going. That's cooking.
Just kindling. I just started this.
Just getting started.
This is kindling.
It took half a bottle of vodka to get started, but it's going, man.
Nothing cool.
Okay.
Palm Springs before we came here.
Yeah.
And I slipped in a shower.
No, no. Oh, you've got to come up with a better story.
100%. It sounds so lame. The way I look, I'm like shit. You know.
Yeah, so come on. We got tattoos.
aged
We got
myself
tattoos.
20
We got
years.
beard. We got to come up with something a bit better.
You just make up another story. People.
I know I was gonna go alligator wrestling. I tried to tell this kid earlier.
No, I think you were on an ATV out there in Palm Springs,
We were supposed to be.
and you were jumping.
we were supposed to be. We were, and that got canceled.
Okay, first encounter. What was that, Al?
His name is Al from Long Beach.
Al from Long Beach.
He's a carpenter.
Carpenter. Oh my goodness. So that's exactly why you walk around the campsite. So you can rent these little cabins right here as well. There's only a couple, but there sounds like we've got family in there renting the cabins. There she goes. Of course, my wife's like making friends with everybody.
Oh, totally.
Her mom does the same
My
thing.
mom goes up to everyone's RVs and she's like, "Do you mind if I look inside?"
This is our oh, what? How cute!
Isn't it so cute, you guys? It's like fifth grade camp.
TV,
Oh my God! Look at that. You got bunk beds in here.
and they have a couple outlets.
You do have to bring your own bedding. No bedding. We brought all of our own.
Oh,
They have the
okay,
red sheet on
okay.
there.
I think that's actually fine, don't you?
Right? Totally. Yeah.
Oh, how fun!
It's so fun, and I love that it has the deck with the little.
How much
chairs
they
out
charge
there.
you for this little place?
$10 a night.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so for dinner tomorrow, we're going to do pork chops. So we're going to sous vide them while we are fishing. Come back with beautifully cooked pork chops, and then just throw them on the Blackstone grill and char them up. But that's the size of this thing. Look at this.
And look how fat it is.
And there's no way we're doing two of those. So I'm just going to sous vide this one, I think. And I think that's plenty for two of us. So we're going to press and seal this one and put it back. There it is. There's my new Gree Eco-Cool unit. And it is running right now as a heat pump. So not only is it an air conditioner, but it's a heat pump too. This is the ducted version. Upstairs I've got the non-ducted version. It's on. It's so quiet. It's kicking out heat. We've got 30 amps here at this hookup. I've got two of these suckers and I can run both of them at the same time. So here's the RV, and I've got the new Eco-Cool that I put on the front there, the white one. And then I just recently ordered the ducted version for the back, and they accidentally sent me a black cover rather than the white cover. But now looking at it, I kind of like the black cover over the white cover. So I sent them a note and said, hey, you messed up on the color. You sent me black rather than white, but I kind of like the black. So they're sending me a black cover now for the front one for free. So for breakfast this morning, I've got English bangers from Taylor's Market in Sierra Madre. There we go, a couple bangers. So as I'm going to make these into a sandwich, I cut them in half. And they will go. They'll go on the kit. My second little Gree-ism. So this one's not quite installed. We've got the wires there for the furnace that have to be on. This is on right now. The air is on. It's set to auto cool, and this camera is 18 inches away from this air conditioner. How quiet it is, right? Okay, back to Kittredge Sports. Pick up some fresh worms. Go in, huh? Okay, let's go into Kittredge and take a look around. There we go. Just about everything you ever want for fishing in here. So we are up here at the top of Lake Mary. There's all the runners here, look. All the running groups. So here's the little map off to Duck Lake, which is the far one, and Barney. We're just going to go pretty local and just go up to Heart Lake today. But it's pretty busy. So all these high school runners are coming back down. So we'll head out on the trail. It should split right here. And I think Heart would be to the left, and then Barney and Duck and that are all off to the right, but we'll take a look. All right. So we went up there before, up to Duck. Today we're going to take it easy and go to Heart. God, it's getting pretty steep in here. That was a good little push up the hill. Look at that. All the new growth on the end of this makes this just simple pine tree look really, really pretty. Yeah, look at this trail. Sign here for Arrowhead Lake. Huh. Oh well, even search and rescue guys walk on the wrong trail every now and again. So we need to be on the other side of the creek to get to Heart. We're up here by Arrowhead Lake, which we don't want to be at. So we've got to backtrack a little bit across the creek and head on the other side. And then when you get closer here, I'll take the fishing rod from you. Just careful with your feet. Good job, honey. Give me the rod. Yeah, there's a little... Okay, we see where we boogered up this morning. The trail goes through a pretty big stream, and I'm trying to navigate us. Here comes Satch. Easy walking trail, but you're still at altitude, so it still makes you puff. All right, here we are. Little Heart Lake right here. Sounds quite pretty. Oh, it's very shallow. Oh. Okay, found our spot. No logs in front of us here, look. Nice little spot to hang out in. Now, hopefully there's some fish in here. Lunch by the lake. Got a little rice bowl. And then we've got chashu over here as well. That Sachi's got out. And we've got some soy sauce. Look, chashu, soy sauce to dip it in. Not too shabby. Well, 2 for 2. We've been here for an hour and change. The only thing that got a bite was me and Sachiko, and that was lunch. So we had a nice lunch out here. Absolutely beautiful place to hang out. Got our lines wet, didn't catch any fish. That's okay. we've got tomorrow. We'll go to a traditional lake tomorrow rather than just hiking in. So maybe we'll get a couple trout to fry up tomorrow. Now we're going to head down. We'll stop at the old mine there, the gold mine, and then we'll stop at Twin Lakes and take a picture where we got married 25 years ago. Wow. Kind of neat to... I wonder what the age of these. We'll have to take a look and see how old these structures were. But this is obviously where all the miners lived out here. Oh, neat. Here you go. Processing right here. Processing plant. And oil processing mill. Single cylinder oil fueled engine, 100 horsepower. Look at this bad boy. Whew. That is cool. There we go. Assay office. So the assay is the person who counted up all the gold and put it up for weight. Is the assay. Oh, check out this old log cabin. Really neat. It's all chinked. It's probably quite decent to stay in. So I was thinking about that, like summer months, not too bad out here. I can't imagine when it kicks into winter. Oh, look at that. Rooms inside. Big old stove. Okay, Sachiko's kryptonite. Ah, footy. Oh no! She went in completely. Gosh, honey. Well, we're almost home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if we could go bowling.
We'll go back to the RV. Okay, 25 years ago today, this is where Sach and I got married. In Twin Lakes. And this is the launch ramp that we had everybody go out on their float tubes. It's the waterfall that we had the wedding pictures taken at. So we had all of this area right here. And this is exactly where we got married. Happy anniversary. There we go. We got married right here 25 years ago. That is Twin Lakes. That's where we just were at. And we got married on this side of the bridge down in there. That's just where we were standing. So you can see it's Twin Lakes, but it's almost looks like it's three with all the bridges. There we go. So we're up at the top here at Twin. That's where we got married, down in there. So been a minute, hasn't it? But we're back. Okay, we're in Mammoth. We've been hiking and fishing, and Sachi's bowling group is bowling today in LA. So we are going bowling in Mammoth. She brought a bowling ball. We've got a nice bar area over here. So now we're going to one of Sachi's very old friends from Burbank Studios, Son's ice cream place called Local Scoop. Okay, so we're going into Local Scoop.
We open July 1st. So,
Oh my gosh, really?
Kids.
Oh my God!
Congratulations.
The last time I saw Adam, he was like this big, I think.
Oh, look at all these. Oh, something smells really good. Okay, so here's a sous vide pork chop. Doesn't look super appetizing, right? But it's cooked to 130 degrees. Perfectly cooked 130 degree, really thick pork chop that's been in a sous vide bath. And all I'm doing now is putting color on the outside. So, okay, here we go. Anniversary dinner. They've got a beautiful bottle of wine from Costilla de Amorosa, 2017. We've got this lovely pork chop that we sous vide today while we were out hiking and fishing. Not catching, fishing. And we're here in the RV for our dinner. We're
Happy
here.
anniversary!
Thank you very much. Cheers, cheers, cha-ching. Hold up. Ching.